This review is of Lilly's baking company, Handcrafted Hamantashen. I don't know if I said that correctly. Sorry if I did not. Apricot flavored, dairy-free, parov, and it's a shortbread cookie. And let's see here. Anything special? Oh, it does have wheat, soy, and eggs, so it's vegetarian, not vegan. Kosher parov, lactose-free. And 1 ounce has got 70 calories from fat, 130 calories total. 8 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, no trans fats, 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 55 milligrams of sodium, 15 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, 5 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of protein. And the ingredients: palm oil, bad for health. Soybean oil, also not good, although better than palm. Lots of sugar options in here. Gullen gum, which is the emulsifier. Alright, well, we'll give it a try. And this is what it looks like. Kind of disappointing, honestly.
I ate the entire thing in one bite for, some hopefully place filling and breading, but honestly it's mostly just kind of just sugary cookie and a little bit of apricot. Oh,
No, I didn't.
They
All right, well, I'm kind of disappointed because the apricot flavor is pretty subdued, and I would have really liked to have enjoyed apricot flavor. The filling was pretty thick, but yeah, not ideal. I'm gonna give it a 6.
Yeah, I was expecting for the thickness that filling would be more potent and more equal to the breading.
Right.
It was just all sugar cookie.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, Afia, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. I need to ask for your help. On December 11th, 2024, Amazon fired me under false pretenses, and the 17th, I had surgery for the injury that occurred at Amazon that Amazon and Sedgwick refused to take responsibility for. So it's coming out of my pocket and my insurance company's pocket. That means I'm unemployed and I will not be getting short-term disability from Amazon or from Sedgwick. So my financial situation is a bit of a problem right now. If you would like to help me, there are some things you can do. Number 1, you can like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on notifications on my channels. Number 2, if you'd like to give a one-time donation, and please don't do this if you can't afford it, you can on the Glenn's Fast Reviews channel do a super thanks. Number 3, if you would like to help me on a monthly basis, you can become a member on Glenn's Fast Reviews, or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there. Thank you so much for your support.
So the front says in big letters, apricot, but in small letters it says with mango filling. Mango and apricot do not taste similar other than being sweet. Then if you look at the mango filling information, it says sugar, apple puree, apricot puree, mango puree, and so on. So yeah, no wonder I can't tell that it tastes like apricot
Or mango.
or
apple.
mango or apple for that matter. It's just
sugar.
and not sugar, but the big problem for me is that shortbread is kind of fragile, and if you don't make it thick enough, it does break very easily. So they had to make it thick enough, but they didn't think about the fact that making it that thick would cause it to overwhelm the flavor of the filling. So that's another problem.